There we go. Okay. All right. So somehow I've got myself sick. Still trying to recuperate. Lost my voice. And the only thing that I know how to do is to remedy myself instead of buying over the counter medicine. So that's what we're going to do here today. I have my pot for water boiling. We're going to boil some detox tea, some ginger tea with manuka honey, and a few leaves that I have from Barbados. This detox, everyday detox tea is really, really good. Pardon my voice again. And yeah, it's good for chest inflammation and getting this mucus out of there. Now here I have some avocado leaves, there's some bay leaves, there's some soursop leaves, and some guava leaves. So we're just gonna put them all in this pot. And again, these are ground leaves. I forget what blend this is, but it's pretty much all good herbs, all natural, healthy herbs. So just gonna add everything into the pot. Try to steep something real nice to drink. Get this stuff out of me. Now, growing up, it would usually be mint, lemon, honey, ginger, and that's about it. But we're going to turn it up a notch with this one and actually add some cayenne pepper, some lemon peels, some lemon juice to the mix. Now, careful because it is something nasty going around. This is an upper respiratory infection. Started off as a lung infection, but I'm trying to get better with it. Here's the cayenne pepper. And I didn't want to be too generous with it, but I did want enough where I know that there's some cayenne in this. Whoa. So yeah, this is going to steep for about 20 minutes on high. Again, this water system that I have, and I'll show you at the end of the video, is a water filtration system that filters water throughout the entire house. So I don't have to worry about any faucet not having fresh alkaline water. Alrighty. Just gonna chop up some garlic. I'm not going to put it in the tea, but I am going to eat 2 garlic cloves raw while I'm drinking this. See, the plan is to use all of the antibacterial properties of the garlic and the tea to kind of remove some of this mucus and get in there and help out the white blood cells. Because that's what we're really trying to do, is help the white blood cells fight the infection or whatever this is. But yeah, this goes well daily. You don't have to wait till you're sick to start drinking this. And it's crazy because I haven't had my shot in 3 days because I haven't been able to get to the store. And on the 3rd day, I get this. So always, always, always fight for your immunity. Trying to keep up your health and keep things going accordingly. Especially during this season, flu season, where they're trying to get you to take this flu shot and all of these shots, and all of this. And you really don't need it. You just need to keep your immunity stronger than what's out there. Right? Have some sea moss. We're going to do that next time. But for now, let's just get this steeped, get this in a hot tumbler, and drink this up, and then see how I feel tomorrow. which I guarantee this voice will get much better. And I should be at 100% and better enough to cook this Banks Fresh Farm steak that I can't wait to try. Right. Now I'm also going to put in just a small piece of aloe that I had that I didn't want to go bad. And aloe vera has too many health properties to list.